Get ready for the latest revolution in smartphones. Samsung's Galaxy S series has been a benchmark for innovation since 2010, and 2025 promises to be no different. With the Galaxy S24 still fresh in our minds, we're already anticipating the arrival of the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus next year. While official pricing is still under wraps, we can make some educated guesses based on recent trends and inflation. Here's what we think.
Galaxy S25, 128GB, $799.99, $256GB, $859.99.
Galaxy S25 Plus, 256GB, $999.99, 512GB, $1,119.99. Keep in mind that these estimates may change based on hardware upgrades and production costs, especially with a more powerful processor on the horizon. As soon as the phones are announced, pre-orders will likely go live. And with Android 15 and One UI 7 skin, these devices are expected to receive updates for 7 years. What can you expect from the Galaxy S25 series? Here's a sneak peek.
Gemini 2, enhanced AI capabilities.
Updated Google AI model, smarter phone functionality. Seamless updates, no more interruptions. Background updates, OS installations without downtime. Departure from past Samsung practices, a new era in smartphones. The Galaxy S25 series is rumored to pack a punch with 2 different variants, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for the US market and the Exynos 2500 for the global market. Both promise faster RAM support and increased RAM, with rumors suggesting up to 12GB for the base model and 16GB for the Plus model. But that's not all. The Galaxy S25 may also see a slight increase in screen size, incorporating Sony's LUS sensors for enhanced camera capabilities. Plus, with storage speeds doubling to 88GB per second, you can expect lightning-fast performance. And let's not forget about charging. The Galaxy S25 may continue to support fast wired charging at 25W, with the possibility of adopting the Qi 2 wireless charging standard. While rumors and leaks give us a sneak peek into the Galaxy S25 series, remember that features and specs may evolve before the official release in January 2025. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 promises a significant performance boost, but may come with a higher price tag, potentially starting at $700 for the base model. Now, let's dive into the Galaxy S25 Plus and Ultra models. The Plus features a stunning 6.7-inch 120Hz Dynamic AMOLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution, safeguarded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminum 2.0. The Ultra takes it up a notch with a 6.9-inch 120Hz Dynamic AMOLED display and a crisp resolution of 3088 by 1440.